Hello traders. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening to you all, and happy weekend to you all. And for those of you who are new to us, we are the TSTWSYS08 traders, and our website is www.stochastic-macd.com. For all trade, we will use the 5% money management rules and apply stop loss in all trade. This video is for educational purposes only. It's neither a solicitation or an offer to buy or sell any financial instrument, and it's primarily for the TSTWSYS08 traders. We are looking at the yearly chart of the Australian dollar US dollar currency pair. Okay, as you can see on this yearly chart, if you look carefully on the price itself, the number one indicator, you can see that we have a beautiful, an inverted head and shoulder pattern. Okay, this is the left hand side shoulder, this is the head here, and at this point in time, traders thought that this was the right hand side shoulder. Okay, but with the recession, the price started going up for 2 years in a row, and in 2008 there was a total retracement to the downside before the uptrend has resumed. You see, okay, so paying attention to the price on any time frame, especially on the yearly chart, you can perfectly recognize some of the powerful chart patterns. Okay, so now what do we do? Okay, we will calculate the smart median line, very important, as I told you before, the critical price level. If you do not know about what is a critical price level, you can go to www.youtube.com/George look for our video regarding the critical price level. The price now above the smart median line. Okay, what trader will usually do, okay, for the head and shoulder inverted head and shoulder pattern. Okay, you can see that we'll draw the neckline of this inverted head and shoulder. Okay, if you allow me to do that, and then they will do the projection, okay, of the head section here up to this level here, and they'll project it to the other side somewhere in this region here. Okay, we have reached our target of the inverted head and shoulder on the yearly chart for the Australian dollar US dollar currency pair, and we are on overbought zone. Also talking about the monthly chart, as I told you before, I've been talking about this since God knows in April or June. We were talking about some of the Fibonacci patterns on the monthly chart. Okay, so there are plenty of videos on our YouTube channel regarding this Australian dollar US dollar currency pair, a currency pair that are titled a slippery currency pair. Okay, so now what's happening now? What's happening, man? What's happening, man? Okay, so we are now in the overbought zone. As I told you, when we are in the overbought zone, we give priority to selling, but this is suitable for a day trading. Okay, do not trade a swing trading position in the overbought zone. Allow the price to break above above or below the overbought zone before you make your swing trading decision. Very important. Okay, now going to the daily chart, what do we have for the Australian dollar US dollar currency pair? We can see, as we were telling you, give priority to selling, give priority to selling, boom 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 boom, down it went to, and now it's retracing back up here. I want you to pay attention to where the price did stop, the red horizontal line on this chart. I hope you can see it. You see the red horizontal line. Okay, the price touching. Pay attention to this level here where I'm moving my cursor now. You see this. What I will do as I'm doing this video now, I will I'm looking for the segment. Bear with me. I will use this one here. This one. Okay. So if you pay attention carefully here, the price where the price stop on this Friday, this level here, I'll draw a kind of horizontal line there. Okay, that will be do. Okay, you can see that the price break above that level before. You see, it break above it and retest it here, and boom, it went up. Goodbye. Okay, our doesn't. Okay, break above it and touch that level, and our doesn't. It went up. Okay, now we break above it again, the same level. Okay, and retesting that level. Watch that level carefully on next week. Watch it very carefully. Talking about the fundamental, we know that the Fed has said that there will be a meeting on the 20th and also on the 21st of September 2011. That will decide, the future decision of the Fed. Very important. And as we see last Friday, the job report regarding the United States was very disappointing. So we must keep our eyes on the price, and there is a high chance that the Fed may continue with the quantitative easing, okay, which is QE3. Okay, QE3 means that dollar going down and the Australian dollar, US dollar currency pair going up. So be very careful concerning the fundamental. If the Fed decided to print more money, okay, printing more money, okay, devaluing the dollar, okay, the Australian dollar, US dollar currency pair, the Euro USD, and all the positively correlated currency pair to the Euro USD will continue the movement to the upside. Watch this level. So job creation very poor, recovery in the United States very, very slow, and the Fed may decide to print more money, which means what they call stimulus, more stimulus for the market, which means the stock market going up, pumping more money into the stock market, okay, and the stock market will be going down, and the dollar yen going down, the stock market going up, and the dollar yen going down, and the Australian dollar US dollar currency pair going up, and the Euro USD going up. So watch this level very carefully. You see, if we draw on our this chart very fast, the Fibonacci retracement level for the movement from here down to this level here on this daily chart for the Australian dollar US dollar currency pair, we are above the 61.8% Fibonacci retracement level. You see that the price went down, way up to this level here, pull back. Okay, now it break above the 61.8 and touched it nicely. It stopped exactly on the 61.8 Fibonacci retracement level of the down move from here to this level here. Watch it carefully, watch it carefully, watch it carefully, okay? And also paying attention to the price itself, the number one indicator without cutting corners. Some traders are start learning it the hard way because they decided to do so. 5% of your trading account, very important, and also stop loss. If you cut that corner, it's your own decision, okay? 5%, okay? This rule has saved me a lot of trouble in the, okay? And so I'm telling you now, it's your decision, okay? Now, right here, so we have a horizontal channel. If you pay attention here on this daily chart for the Australian dollar US dollar currency pair, okay, I want to take this opportunity also to thank all my TST traders, okay, especially those who have been trading currency like myself. Those traders has been around with me for some time. So I want to take this opportunity to thank you for your support and everything, okay? So we are touching the median line of this horizontal channel, okay? Watch it. But there is something I want you to pay attention to. Talking about the Fed printing money or quantitative easing number 3, okay, that will be decided on the 20th and the 21st of September, okay? If you trade last Friday on the 2nd of September, and you haven't paid attention to the economy news, you learn something very important, because the market was very wide, non-farm payroll, attention on the fundamental and the news, the trading triangle, the news and the fundamentals, okay? And the leaders can change the dynamics of the market at any time. Pay attention to the trading triangle. Do not trade only the technical, combine the technical with the trading triangle, making your decision with the stable data. That's the best way, okay? Next step. So we are talking about the Fed and quantitative easing, that if they proceed with more stimulus for the market, the Australian dollar US dollar currency pair, which are going up, which means also gold going up. Gold is have enough influence on this currency pair. But I want to show you something, because the title of this video is Forex Waves. You'll be wondering why we call this Forex Waves, because on this 3-hour chart for the Australian dollar US dollar currency pair, we counted 5 waves, okay? But what has happened, you can see the price when it was on a downtrend and then display a double bottom pattern. The nut, which I told you before, is this one here, must be broken and retested. The price, my apology for that, the price break above the nut right here, okay? The price break above the nut and retest it here and try to go up, but total retracement. We'll start counting the wave again, okay? You understand? So the first area wave is from here, okay, up to this level here. So first wave from here up to this level here, but this is a complex first area wave. Complex first area wave, you can see that, okay? So it has been divided into 5 small waves. First small wave, second small wave, third small wave, fourth small wave, and the 5th small wave. So this is the first area wave on this 3-hour chart for the Australian dollar US dollar currency pair. The second area wave is from here down to this level here, okay, and the third area wave is from here up to this level here. From here to this level here, that's the third area wave. The fourth area wave is from here down to this level here, and the fifth area wave is from here up to this level here. If I draw two horizontal lines, this is not what I want to have. I will move to my previous chart. Okay, now where am I now? Okay, if I draw on this 3 hours chart where the trend has begun, so the trend has begun right here, and so the first area wave has started from here and ended here. Okay, so the fifth area wave, okay, has ended here on this 3 hour chart. So in fact, our trend on this 3 hour chart from the first wave to the fifth area wave is up to this level here. We are between these two horizontal lines. Okay, so the trend has ended here, but there were a lot of blah 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 blah. Price manages to go above the fifth area wave. You watch it, you break above it and retest it on the 3 hour chart. But what's happened? Capitulation. It went back below it. That's a sell. You don't need any more permission. Okay, that's a sell. The previous high, a new high, prior return back below the previous high. You don't need any more permission. Use your tool, your trading tool. CSCW24, CSCWSY08, CSCWSY008. Attention on the price. So we break below the previous high, it's a sell. The price going down now. So after 5 area wave, we are expecting ABC corrective move in normal conditions. But this is about technical analysis. Combine the technical with the fundamental. That's the right way forward. Okay? So we count on the 3 hour chart, 5 area wave. We are at the end of the 5th area wave. We have now the A. We are expecting the B to go up, returning to the upside a bit, and then the C corrective move. That remains to be seen. We cannot force area wave on the price. We just need to keep our eyes wide open, paying attention to the fundamentals, the news, the leaders, okay, and the price itself. This is about, okay, the Australian dollar, US dollar currency pair. The A corrective move, we are expecting the B, and the C corrective move. That remains to be seen. The price sitting nicely on top of this. If we go back again on the my apology for that, to the daily chart, we are at an important support level. But looking at the monthly chart, we are in the overbought zone. You see here now? You see now? Okay. Again, going to the yearly chart. Okay, we are on the target zone. Okay, so attention. The fundamentals are crucial in this point. Talking about the Fed, the decision that the Fed will made on the 20th and the 21st of September 2011. The market is looking forward next week. Also, the blah 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 regarding Greece and the banking system that we will see. Watch it carefully. Checking your news. Okay, on your tablets. Okay, using the Google Finance on your the Android Google Finance and the Financial Times, checking the news consistently. Now moving on to the Euro USD currency pair. What's happening with the Euro USD currency pair? This is the 3 hour chart again. I'm going to move a bit faster now. Going back to my Euro. Okay. Now for the Euro USD, this is what's happened now. On this 3 hour chart, we are in the third area wave. Okay, how do I know? Count it. Okay, so there was this trend line here. This trend line is kaput. You see, the trend line here is kaput. But I can draw another trend line like this. Moment, please. Okay, I can draw another trend line like this right here. You see. Okay. A bit messy now, forgive me. Okay, I'll get it, always get it. Okay, so we can draw another trend line like this. Okay, the major trend line is this one, but we can draw another trend line like this. Okay, this one here, this section here on this 3 hour chart. We can see that if I remove the major trend line, which is this one, I'll remove that. You can see that our trend line here on the 3 hour chart is broken. First area wave, second area wave, we are in the third area wave. At this point in time, that's all we can say. The movement of the price in the future will determine what's going to happen. Right now, that's all we can say. The future movement of the price will tell us whether we are wrong or not. But right now, that's what we can say. The price break the trend line, it tried to pull up, and it crashed down and break again this small trend line here. Okay, so we are in a third area wave for the Euro USD to the downside. Okay, first area wave, second area wave, and a third area wave on the 3-hour chart. I showed you before for the area wave count on the 2-minute chart, on the 3-minute chart, on the 5-minute chart, on the 50-minute chart, okay, and also on the hourly chart, on the daily chart. Now we are on the 3-hour chart. The area wave theory, you can count in on any time frame. So we are the third area wave regarding the Euro USD currency pair. In normal condition, we should have the fourth area wave going up a bit, okay, and then the fifth area wave, a kind of double bottom pattern probably, or fourth area wave up to somewhere here, and then break below it again to display the fifth area wave, bringing us in the zone of somewhere here, okay, 14000. Okay, so that's for the Euro USD. Looking at the monthly chart, as I showed you before, we have a descending triangle here. As I show you, fractal pattern, you see here, okay, it's a high, a lower high, a lower high, okay, watch it, but we are at a support level, okay. The support level is very clear on the daily chart, okay. Again, you see here, I'm going to draw another horizontal line there for you for the Euro USD. Use this horizontal line. This is what I want you to pay attention to. If you look carefully, okay, on this daily chart for the Euro USD, you can see that the price was going up, up, down. You see here, it touched it here, went below it, break above it, retest it, support, went up, come back again, retest the same level, support. You see, this is a very important support level. It went up again, come back, crash below it, return above it, crash below it, return above it. This is a very important support level. Here, it did find a support, it found a support here, it break below it, return above it, it crash below it, return above it. Very important support level, this level here of 14204, 14204. A very important support level for the Euro USD. Looking at the daily chart, there is also a channel here, as I show you for the Australian dollar US dollar currency pair. There is also for the Euro USD a channel here, horizontal, a channel here. The price may seek to test the lower part of the Bollinger Band 50 volatility too, bringing us in the zone of 14050 here. But that remains to be seen because this support level is very important. Very important, okay? Going to the weekly chart, again we have a descending triangle here, as you can see, but we are at the support level. If I draw again on the weekly chart for you, this line here, this support level, you can see that on this weekly chart that in 2008, okay, the price was in a downtrend, break above it, display double bottom pattern. This is the knot of the double bottom pattern, okay. This is the knot, okay, and the price finally break the knot. It did break the knot, okay, and went above it. You see, it went above the knot, which is bullish, but there was a market capitulation. Understand market capitulation, not manipulation. Capitulation. Yeah, it's something you need to understand. Market capitulation. Break below it, big time. You know it's going to go down. Retest the previous low here. Price came back again, test the same level, displaying another double bottom pattern, another knot here. The knot, we did stop last Friday exactly on the knot of the euro. Very important support level for the Euro USD. Very important support level for the Australian dollar US dollar currency pair. That's all I can say now. Okay, going to the dollar yen currency pair. Last Friday we were expecting a kind of a bullish momentum to develop on the USD yen before the job report, which was the job report that was perfectly bearish for the dollar yen, and the price crashed down. This trend line here on this 3-hour chart has been broken. You can see, nice one. You see the tall candle here. This is the signature of the bulls. So we were counting this as the first area wave, expecting the price to find a support in this zone and to resume the movement to the upside. You can see that the price is basing here. There is a kind of consolidation taking place here on this 3-hour chart. That's what I'm telling you. Anytime you see the consolidation for the dollar yen currency pair, constantly pay attention to the fundamental for the dollar yen currency pair is no more technical. It's more fundamental, because we are in oversold zone. We are just waiting for the fundamental to align with the technical before we can have a movement to the upside. Without a fundamental support, there's no movement to the upside. It will continue. The two levels that you must pay attention to: 7100, if it crashes below it, yeah, which is likely to happen, and the 4800. Thank you for watching, and we will speak to you very soon. Now, we are the TSTWSYS 08 traders.